comfort and stability they need, from their unique contoured mattresses to their patented custom-fit oxygen pillows. After all, for over 50 years, they've been working on your side, and that's a good thing. European Sleepworks at Adeline and Ashby in Berkeley, or online at sleepworks.com.
KCBS, in partnership with UCSF Health, presents As Prescribed, a weekly conversation with leading medical experts from UCSF Medical Center and UCSF Benioff Children's Hospitals. Hear from the experts, recognized worldwide for innovations in patient care, the latest medical knowledge, and pioneering research. As Prescribed, every Thursday at 1:30 on KCBS 740 AM and 106.9 FM, and streaming on the Odyssey app.
When you bring home a Miele, you're bringing home true innovation. Now, for a limited time, save up to $1,800 with a purchase of a qualifying Miele appliance package. Visit the Miele Innovation Center at Friedman's Appliance in Pleasant Hill or at friedmansappliance.com.
This is your time to cash in at Cash Creek Casino Resort. To rock and to roll over the hills and bluffs. Go all out or go all in. With 4 stars and rising stars, now we do more than ever, so you can do as much or as little as you want. It's your time to cash in at Cash Creek Casino Resort.
Back to Berkeley we go. Frank Munich with our latest look at traffic. And we are looking at construction cones. We have eastbound 80 shut down at University. This is all for road work to try and build a pedestrian and bicycle crossing at Gilman Street. Traffic being taken off, or at least scheduled to be being taken off at University. That road work is scheduled to go until 6 tomorrow morning, but right now we're not seeing anything in the way of slowing, at least on our road sensors. We are seeing a stall, still in the process of being cleared, southbound 101, just before Cesar Chavez in San Francisco. That is a car that's been blocking the 3rd lane from the left. A new 2-car hit-and-run crash reported blocking the far left and the 3rd lane from the left on eastbound 80 just before Georgia Street in Vallejo. A reminder that the KCBS phone force is open, both to answers and messages at 415-391-KCBS. That's 415-391-5227. Your next update at 11:48 on the traffic leader KCBS. It'll be clear and cool overnight with lows mostly in the low to mid 40s, though we could see some 30s as well. Sunny tomorrow, some expected highs. San Francisco 68 degrees downtown, 66 out in the avenues. Oakland and SFO 71 degrees. Livermore and Morgan Hill 74. Concord, Santa Rosa, and San Rafael all looking at a high of 76 degrees. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
For the best in fall savings, Envision Toyota of Milpitas is the right decision. Now during their fall savings event, you can get as low as 2.49% APR financing for 48 months on select new 2022 and 2023 Toyotas, including some of our top models. Or get 3.99% APR financing on pre-owned certified Toyotas. Shop online anytime at EnvisionToyotaofMilpitas.com or in person where the 880 freeway and the Great Wall Parkway meet. Call 855-973-2594 for details. Honda of Milpitas, kicking off our fall savings event with a special lease for a 2022 Civic Sport Sedan for only $229 per month for 36 months. Or choose 1.9% financing for 48 months on a new 2022 Honda Passport or Pilot. Your choice. Make the right decision with Envision Honda of Milpitas. Call 855-996-2274 for details.
When a cold comes on strong, knock it out with Vicks Dayquil Severe for max strength daytime relief. Just one dose of Vicks Dayquil Severe starts to relieve 9 of your worst cold and flu symptoms to help take you from 9 to none. your day with Vicks DayQuil Severe, the daytime non-drowsy, coughing, aching, fever, sore throat, 9 to none medicine. Use as directed.
Realtors abide by a code of ethics. This is Article 9 in action. Beth, a first-time homebuyer, knew nothing about the home buying process, except that she wanted to buy a home. But her realtor had the expertise to make sure Beth understood every document, even giving her copies to review with her lawyer so Beth could close on her first home with confidence. Complicated things explained in simple terms. The difference between an agent and a realtor is real. Realtors are members of the National Association of Realtors. That's who we are.
KCBS News Time, 11:42. Word coming into the KCBS newsroom tonight that there has been a shooting in Concord that has left 2 people injured. Police say the shooting happened after 10 p.m. on Virginia Lane, so about an hour and a half ago. The condition of the victims is not known. They were rushed by paramedics to John Muir Hospital. The shooter sped away in a white 4-door car. Concord police gave chase down Monument Boulevard. There are no reports that the shooter has been caught. As we get more details, we will pass them along to you. The sisters of Native American actress Sasheen Littlefeather, who died October 2nd in Novato at the age of 74, say she was not Native American after all. It was at the 1973 Academy Awards that Littlefeather took to the stage and announced that Marlon Brando would not accept his Oscar for Best Actor in The Godfather.
And the reasons for this being are the treatment of American Indians today by the film industry. Excuse me.
Sasheen Littlefeather claimed she was blacklisted as an actress after that speech. Her 2 sisters, though, have now told writer Jacqueline Keeler that Littlefeather was actually Mexican-American and not Native American at all. Keeler reports that Sasheen Littlefeather was born Maria Louise Cruz in Salinas in 1946. Late on a Sunday night, we'll take a look at a busy day in sports. That's coming up in just 60 seconds.
Have you been in an accident? If so, Chilton Auto Body is here to help. Chilton Auto Body has served our community for more than 50 years, and we're also the first Tesla-certified body shop. Chilton Auto Body has 15 convenient Bay Area locations to help restore your vehicle to pre-accident condition, and we make it easy for you in your time of need. Chilton Auto Body is also actively hiring for all positions, including managers, repair planners, and body technicians. Come join our growing team and start your new career today at Chilton Auto Body, the Bay Area's leader in collision repair.
There's a lifetime of beautiful outdoor living waiting for you at Dolan's. It's fiber-on decking for easy, carefree living. Why choose this durable composite? There's an amazing choice of colors. The rich look of multi-chromatic exotic hardwood. It resists splintering, rotting, and cracking with really low maintenance. See the colors and learn more at DolanLumber.com. See the real fiber-on at Dolan's Home Improvement Centers.
Coming up on KCBS.
I'm Megan Goldsby with a request from local costume shop owners in the Bay Area. Skip the Halloween Superstore this year.
KCBS News Time, 11:44. Time now for sports. NBA action at Chase Center tonight. Warriors down the Sacramento Kings, 130 to 125. Football, the 49ers are now 3-4 after losing at home to Kansas City today, 44-23. Playoff baseball, it will be Houston and Philadelphia in the World Series. The Astros completed a sweep of the Yankees 6-5 in the Bronx tonight to advance. In the earlier game, it was bedlam in Philadelphia as Bryce Harper hit a 2-run homer in the bottom of the 8th to lead the Phillies past the Padres 4-3. With more sports, here's KCBS's Victor Zaragoza.
The Giants' new general manager, Pete Patello, was on the Giants Talk podcast, and as free agency starts in a few weeks, how does he view the offseason?
All options are on the table, and I think it's just a matter of trying to understand which free agents are out there, which potential contracts make sense for the club now and in the future, and also looking at trade opportunities. One element doesn't have to do with necessarily the roster, but I think making sure that those rookies are having a great offseason so that they're potentially ready to contribute as soon as possible. I think that